In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Home Depot gift card. Whether you're picking up a practical present for someone who loves DIY projects or setting aside funds for your own home improvements, a Home Depot gift card is a quick, reliable choice. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish and share a few tips to make it smooth and secure. First, start at a trusted retailer or a reputable gift card website. This can be Home Depot's official site, a major national retailer, or a well-known digital gift card marketplace. You can also buy in person at many brick-and-mortar stores. Sticking with trustworthy sources helps you avoid inactive cards, inflated prices, or scams. If you're shopping online, make sure the website address begins with HTTPS, and consider using a secure network rather than public Wi-Fi. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and type Home Depot gift card. You'll typically see options for a digital eGift card delivered by email or a physical plastic card sent by mail. Check the details on the product page, including any delivery timelines, regional limitations, and whether the card has fees or expiration dates. Most retail gift cards don't expire and don't charge fees, but it's always good to confirm. Next, select the amount you want. You'll usually find preset denominations and sometimes a custom amount field. If you're sending it as a gift, you may be able to add a short message or choose a delivery date for the eGift. It's a good idea to match the amount to a project or purchase your recipient might have in mind. Click Buy or Add to Cart. For digital delivery, you may be prompted to enter the recipient's email and your name so they know who it's from. Double-check spelling and delivery date before proceeding. For a physical card, confirm the shipping address and review estimated arrival times. Now enter your payment details. Most retailers accept major credit or debit cards, and some support digital wallets or third-party payment services. Make sure the billing address matches your payment method to avoid declines. If you're sending to someone else, verify the recipient information one more time. Complete the purchase by reviewing the order summary and placing your order. You might be asked to verify a one-time security code from your bank, which is normal. Finally, receive your gift card. Digital codes usually arrive within minutes, though some orders take a bit longer. Check your inbox and spam folder, and save the email somewhere secure. Physical cards arrive by mail and often include tracking. Keep your receipt or order confirmation in case you need support later. That's it. With these steps, you can confidently buy a Home Depot gift card and get it delivered the way that works best for you.